Cicada transmit disease? What is she doing? The insane biology of the cicada. Entomologist Chris Meyer's 17-year experiment on cicada nymphs is discussed. Despite their surprisingly similar life cycles, 13-year and 17-year cicadas develop on different timescales. Meyer observed that older nymphs took longer to transition into the next developmental phase and noticed that their eyes changed color when they were ready to emerge. When they reached their 5th instar and the 13th or 17th year of their cycle, cicadas wait for the soil to reach a specific temperature before emerging. However, the mystery remains as to how they keep track of time and know when to come out of the ground. Though it's known that temperature triggers their emergence, researchers are still unsure of their timekeeping mechanisms. An intriguing hypothesis suggests that cicadas might count in intervals of 4, but how they would know when a year had passed remains unclear. Researchers also propose that cicadas might be counting the seasons based on the trees whose roots they feed from, as the chemical composition of xylem changes with the seasons. After hatching, the nymphs fall on the ground and quickly enter the soil through cracks in the ground and build oval to cylindrical nests and feed on the roots from inside these nests. Cicadas do not have teeth and are practically not dangerous for humans, so they do not transmit diseases. The molting period lasts 4 years and they approach the soil surface as they approach maturity. The activity of nymphs takes place at different depths and can penetrate to a depth of more than 50 centimeters inside the soil, and the bigger they get, the more damage they do to the roots. The whole insect also causes damage to trees by feeding on plant sap. Among the visible signs of grapevine damage, the following can be mentioned. 1. Reduction of plant height, size, and yellowness of leaves. 2. Reducing the size and number of grape clusters and pods. 3. Dry and broken branches. 4. The presence of bumps on the branches due to insect spawning. There are holes in the soil at the foot of the tree. 5. Hearing a lot of noise in the garden, which indicates the presence of pests and pollution. In general, the life cycle of crickets is several years, and most of this period is spent as a larva and underground. The immature insect feeds by piercing the root of the plant and sucking its sap. In some species, it takes a long time to mature and become a cricket, including Cicada from North America, which is famous for its 17-year life cycle. In the next program, after a big event that happened 900 years ago,